Okay, I have this beautiful Range Rover in the shop today. I'm going to show you how to install some custom fit seat covers. Let's check out the before. As you can see, the original seats is just black leather. And we're going to be doing the front and back. Also, these covers will work with the TVs behind the front seats. Just doing the rear seats only. The fronts are pretty easy. Today we're going to do a full tutorial on how to install seat covers on the rear seats of a Range Rover. The first thing we're going to do is remove the headrest. It would just be 2 buttons on the sides of the headrest post. Just push those in, you can pull the headrest up. Okay, after that, pull the seat forward a little bit. Unzip the cover before we put it on. Okay, this is how you go around the seat belt. You don't need any tools. All I'm doing here is pulling the seat down and getting it into position. I'll come closer so they can see this right here. Okay, this is how you go around the headrest post. After that, we're going to pull the seat down real tight. You got everything positioned how you want it. The next is to start tucking. So you can use your hand or use the tucking tool, whichever's easier for you. This out the way. That thing is just got 100 times easier. Okay, now I'm gonna go get the bottom cover and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back with the bottom. The first thing I like to do is get everything lined up, get everything in position. It look like we're gonna have to remove. It'll be easy to remove this. Luckily, this piece comes off pretty easy. It's just held in by clips. Right now, I'm trying to locate the clips. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. It just pop off. Got these snaps held in by pressure. Alright, so I like to lock the middle in first. super tight. Take both of these bungees, pull them real tight. Okay, just for added security, I went ahead and tied everything in a knot so it won't slide. Okay, go ahead and close that up. Now it's time to move on to the headrest.